Once upon a time, in a faraway village, there lived a poor farmer. The farmer was now reaching his old age and was very worried about his children. He had 3 sons of a mature age and was worried because all of them fought all the time and no one could have stopped them. So, one day, the farmer decided to teach them a lesson. When the farmer returned from a long day at work, he was holding a bundle of sticks in his hand. He collected his 3 sons and asked them to meet him at the table for an important talk. He gave each son an individual stick in their hand and asked them to break it. The sons were strong young men, so it was very easy for them to break the individual stick. The next step the farmer took was that he divided the bundle into 3 bunches of sticks. Each bunch was very, very heavy, and he gave each son an individual bunch. The sons tried so hard to break the bunch, but they all failed. The farmer then said, "My dear sons, you all are like a bundle of sticks. If you stay together and united, no one will be able to hurt you. But if you keep fighting all the time, you will break like this individual stick." The sons soon understood the wisdom in their father's words and were united from that day onwards, which individually and as a team led them towards success. So, my dear friends, the moral we get from this story is that as long as you stay united like a bundle of sticks, nobody can harm you. But if you keep fighting amongst yourselves, you're like individual sticks that are easy to break. The 3 sons understood the wisdom in their father's words. So, the main justification of the story is that unity is a person's strength and courage and a key to success.